Hi, welcome to everyone. I am Dr. Arsambian, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Today we are going to see personality. In this personality, we are going to topic covered by meaning of personality, development of personality, need for personality, and guidelines to improve personality. First, we are moving into the meaning of personality. So, personality term derived from Latin word. It is the name of given the mask. Actors play a different role in the drama, like a hero, villain, comedian. The study of personality deals with the issues of human individuality. When we talk about personality, we usually refer to the totality or all the person, the sum total ways in which an individual react and interact with others. A person unique patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behavior that persist over time and situation. Everything has certain characters. So personality has some characters. It is unique and specific. It includes everything about person. It is dynamic and every process changes and modification. It is a product of heredity and environment. It is a product of process of learning and acquisition of experience. Now we are seeing personality determine factors. What are the major role determine our personality? So the vital role played in our personality, one is heredity, second one is environment. The 50 percentage of our personality determined by genetical factors. Other 50 percentage influenced by our environmental factors. So environmental factors comes under the situation, culture, family, school, college, work. These are the comes under the environmental factors. Sigmund Freud strongly believed the genetical influence our personality determinant factors in a major role. Next, we are moving to the personality, development of personality. The development of personality has traditionally been an important area to understand the human behavior. Modern development psychology does not get into the argument of heredity versus environment or maturation versus learning. The human being consists of both psychological and physiological interacting parts. Therefore, heredity, environment, maturation, and learning contributes to the human personality. The arc is immature to maturity continuum. The arc says the development of personality is comes under the immature to maturity. So when the person immature to mature, they are developing. So when the person growing, automatically the personality also growing. So what are the immature characters? The Argus says seven dimension of immature characters and maturity characters. How they are act, immature person, how they are act. They are very passive, they are dependency, they are few behaving, they are shallow perspective, they are short-term perception, they have subordinate position, lack of self-awareness. These characters also immature characters. Agis says, what are the matured characters? The mature characters are very active, they are independent, they are diverse interests, they are keep deep interest, they have long-term perspective, they are in superordinate position, they have more self-confidence and self-awareness. These are the Agis says in seven dimensions and seven characters of immature and maturity character. The seven dimension represent only one aspect of the total personality, which also depend upon the individual perception, self-concept, and self-adaptation and adjustment. Argus says the more importance on individual perception, self-concept, and adaptation and adjustment. These are the main thing of our personality traits. The seven dimension continuously change our degree of from the infant to adult. Argus, what is it? The seven dimensions change from the infant to adolescence. The growth one by one in the infant to adolescence. The model of being only construct cannot predict specific behavior. The model, what is said, the model behaving predict only construct. They cannot predict a specific. However, it is provide a method of describing and measuring the growth and individual of the culture. So next we are moving to the need for personality. We have different culture, we have different society, we are different nation, we have certain culture, norms and regulation, but everyone certain has certain qualities, certain rules and regulation have specific or uniformities. These characters, these norms and ethics develop our personality. Why should we develop the personality? For a better job, we are creating better society in our future world. We have self-esteem, we are creating more self-esteem. We are the good person in the society, we are shown to the good person in the society. Then these are the personality development we have to need. We will see one by one. We are all social animal and we live in the society. We have to see ourselves in the context of society. The society in which we live has defined a set of social norms. These norms are guidelines into the learning how to develop personality. The set of norms differ from the society to society, but few norms are uniform. That is, social norms and values, awareness of human duties and rights, desire and ability to handle social evils like corruption and terrorism, ability to handle the manage personal and social natural disaster. These are the norms of basic personality in any individuality. The personality development is essential to get better job, promotion, and career excellence. It is also important to careers increase the self-esteem, to be familiar person, to achieve goal and give better society for a future world. So we must learn how to develop a powerful personality that can help develop into the powerful and successful individual. So guidelines to improve our personality. What are the guidelines to improve our personality? Here are some popular quotes and popular sayings. It will be useful, helpful for every critical situations. Don't compare yourself with anyone in the world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Every painful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready to success. Mistakes are painful when they happen. For example, heated gold has become a beautiful ornament. Certain factors about the personality development. So, what are the factors of our personality development? We have a positive attitude, motivate ourselves, believe in our strong points. We have effective body language, handling people in right way, reading more books. These are the improve our personality and develop our personality. So most familiar and popular personality have these qualities in certain qualities like a positive attitude, motivate self, believe in strong point, effective body language, reading books. These are the These are the development of personality. Okay, thank you.